Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today I'm going to pass on a little video. I've been taking little tidbits of a tile job going on in my bathroom to continue the home project progress report. Stay tuned and check it out. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my two sons and anyone else who wants to take a ride the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. See you inside. A lot of guys don't like doing their trade secrets.
Yeah.
Like I did a film this morning of your progress and went through. So I'll just add some of the key stuff here. This is cool.
You just film with your phone?
A lot of times, yeah. You know, this is all the new stuff, right? All right, folks, we're back on scene here. Tile guy Sam's continuing on. We had to level over the front of the doorway, which had a big dip, which you remember from the beginning, which is all done, dried overnight, and he's doing a fantastic job. I want to jump over here, see what he did here. Red guarded all the joints, finished the hardy backer, and put the secondary mud floor in for the tile to be set, and red guarded the sill, etc. And of course, the final output was the floor leveler going out because there was a big dip left to right the whole wall. So everything's squared up, ready to go. And today they're going to start setting a couple tiles. We got a quick change coming up here on an electrical wire. Excited, moving forward. Looking forward to getting this done. All right, the inspector just showed up. And we had this door blocked overnight because we did find little itty bitty kitty cat footprints in the pitch level of the shower pan, which is covered up now, but they entered through the little cubby, which was left open overnight 2 days ago. And what do you think? Was that you that stepped on the pre-pitch? What do you think? How are they doing? Uh-oh, here comes Sam. Run. Okay. After watching Sam, he came in and put all these boards in. I guess they're his starter boards, they calls them. Oh, look at that little guy. What are you doing in there, lady? Inspecting. And it goes all the way around the room to where the tile's going to stop. That's going to be his strong line. I'll call it that, I guess. First tile moving up, wraps it all around the room to where the tile's going to stop, including the shower, including that wall. Pretty cool. Now, that's that phase. He's coming in today. Today we're going to have tile put in, and I'm actually looking forward to checking it out. I'm not going to be here today, but I'll come swing back and check it out. Great job on the mud bed. Test it, the whole bit. I missed that film. I do got to pull that water pipe up. That's not the height of it. It actually pulls up. We'll do that. We're going to set the flange on the hardy backer, not the tile. Maybe what I'll do today is come back here at lunch get some shots. I will do that if I have time. I'm actually in the firehouse today. And we're going with the super level. This thing's sweet. I don't want to move in case he has it set, but I'll get the shot today because I'm sure I'll have it on today. Shooting his line for the starter point. And I found interesting stuff out about that red guard. It's actually rubber. I didn't know that. I could actually dip my pliers handles in there, the bucket, let it dry. It'll give you new rubber handles, which is pretty cool. I kind of want to try it now. Interesting stuff. All right, and there's mommy's tile. 2x4s. Hey, psst. You gonna be of assistance today? You gonna go hide? She likes to hide all day. Too many strangers in the house.
Pushing me, Chuck. He's pushing me out of the way.
It looks awesome. I've been doing little segments in the mornings, yeah. 'Cause I was 6 a.m. I gotta run to work. But I want to show you progress is going on here. Using 2x4 tile. And just like I thought, the tile is moving real quick along because of the size. And I think Sam's going to be coming in this sector next and working his way around. I know one thing. Mommy's very happy with the tile job. The color, here's her deal. See all the veins in it? She wanted a lighter vein, and when you buy this tile, they always tell you when it comes in, the shades could be a little different. It's definitely a little more veinier than what she wanted. Still a great color. She's not going to bug out over it, which I know she is, but it's going to work out really nice. I'm actually really happy with it. I know she is too. It's coming along. There you have it, folks. Moving along. But what I'm going to follow up with the next couple days is my mistakes. My mistakes that I made on my own job because of certain situations. See you at the next one, folks.